Well, good day, Bricksters and Lego friends. Today I am entering the garage just to show you the mess that I have and what I have to deal with after this flood, post-flood pandemonium. Yes, things got flooded out here and I'm trying to dry stuff out and everything, and I can't even get near any of the layout, and just stuff everywhere type of thing, and new gyprock of course for the walls and stuff piled up everywhere. So and my goal is today I gotta get some painting done in the basement and another room, and then I'm gonna come out here because I got a thing over here, if I can get to it. Ooh. My signs, my photo signs got wet. I dry them out, but this shelf down here, folks, this shelf down here, as you can see, it's all dipping down to the floor. And this was all like sort of a piecemeal put together shelf for 3 shelves just to put stuff on. Now the 2 middle shelves, not too bad. They're just its and bits of stuff over there, so shouldn't be too bad. That top shelf though, I got to keep all separate because that's all small stuff there and trains over there. So I got to package that up today. We got to get rid of that shelf out of here completely because it's starting to get moldy on the bottom. We don't want that in here. So that's not too bad. Over on this side, things were really dry. It's just bizarre the way things went with the water. So anyway, that's where I am standing into this mess of the amusement park.